Good day everyone, my name is Bersil Rosalita. I discuss inflation. What is inflation? Inflation is an economic condition where there is an increase in the cost of goods and services. It is expressed as a percent. The formula in calculating the effect of inflation is the same as that it compound amount. Since inflation rate varies from day to day and month to month, we will use the average annual inflation rate. For example of inflation, you are just married and assumed to have a college student 18 years from now. If the annual tuition fee of a college student is 46,000, what will be the equivalent annual tuition fee at the time you will have a college student? Assume that annual inflation rate is 7%. So, solution. We will subscribe the following values in the compound amount formula. V is equal 46, R is equal 7%, N is 1 annual inflation, and T is 18. So now we will solve that problem. So kung giunsa siya pag compute. So our formula is P is equal 1 plus R divided N then NT. So we have 46,000. 1 plus 0.07 divide 1 then 1 then 18. So 46,000 plus 0.07. So ang 0.07 i-divide sa 1, so 0.07 na lang siya. And ang 1 and 18 is i-times siya, so 18 na lang pod. So ang 46,000 gibutang gyapon na to siya. Then ang 1 plus 0.07 gi-plus na to sila, so 0 equals 0.07. Then butang gyapon natong 18, so ang 0.7 gi multiply siya sa 18, so it equals 3.3799. So pwede ra pud siya nga niyon siya pagbutang sa inyong calculator. Close parenthesis lang nato ang 1.07 then 18 i-ano lang nato, or pwede siya 0.07 then 18. So ang equals ano niya is 3.3799. So now i-times na to ang 46,000 sa 3.3799. So E equals okay. So i-times man nato silang duha, so ang answer nila is 155,475.4. So therefore, 18 years from now, the annual tuition fee of your college student is 155,475.40. Example, suppose you purchase an insurance policy in 2016 that will provide you 100 million in 2046. If the annual inflation rate is 8%, what will be the purchasing power of the 1 million in 2046? This problem calculate each purchasing power as a command with that in 2016. We will use the present value formula. Substitute A is equal 1 million, R is equal 0.08, okay? 8% man gyap 8% man siya. So, ang N na to kay 1 and the T is 30. So, we have P is equals A divide close and parentheses siya. So, 1 plus R divide N, then NT. So, same lang sila ato, pero kani siya is divide ni siya. So, next is P equals 1 million divide 1 plus 0.8 divide 1, close parentheses, and we have 1 and 30. Close parentheses gyapon sila because ang atong N is 1 and ang atong T is 30. So, next is P equals 1 million divide 1 plus 0.8, close parentheses siya, and 30. So, ang atong 1, ang 0.8 divide nato siya sa 1. So, natay 0.08. Then, ang 1 times 30 is 30 na lang. So, ang nabilin din sa baba is 1 plus 0.08, then ang 30 to the highest or ambot sa na siya. So, 30. Then, next is P equals 1 million divide 1.08, close parentheses, and 30. So, ang 1 plus 0.8, 0.08, ki-plus na to silang duha. So, yung result is 1.08. So, muna siya. So, ang next is 1 million divide 10.06. So, ang 1.08 na pod, ano na to siya sa 30. So, muna siya ang result is 10.06. Then, ang P equals 99,403.57. Then, kani siya nga result is gikan diri sa 1 million divide 10.06. Divide sila, so mao ni ang answers sa kinalasan. So therefore, in the 2046, the purchasing power as compared with the in 2016, we will use the present value formula. Substitute A equals 1 million, R equals 0.8, N equals 1, and T equals 30.